What's happening YouTube, your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we are looking at the MOMAN MLQ RGB. Basically it's a nice pocketable LED light, so whenever you're in the dark or maybe you want to do some trick shots, you'll be able to do it with this. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you what this can do. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below, 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. There we go. Okay, silica gel right there, don't eat that. It also comes with a little bag right here that has a little print there. It says MOMAN. A bunch of literature right here. Let's put that on the side for now. Some cover there, and then the rest of the packaging is really small, just like that. It comes with the USB-C to USB-A cable there. It has a stand as well, so you can mount it on any shoe mount up there for your camera. And then it comes with a little pocketable light as well. Look at this thing. This is pretty small. This thing is also built like pretty tough. I think this is metal, I believe, as you could feel there. Pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and show you the functions on the sides here, and let's turn it on. There you go. As you could see, it has different functions here. Boom! So you could change the brightness right there on the little slider on the side. On top, there's also on the side as well, there is a little lever that you can change the modes there. On the top, there is a set button. There you go, so that you can change the colors as well. And then the power button as well is another function. When you click it, it'll have the strobe lights right there. There you go, making these strobe lights maybe a little bit faster as well. It's really cool. That's it for that, really. In the bottom, it comes with this little mounting spot right there, so that you can mount it on your camera and then use it wherever you go. The best thing about this, of course, is it's so small that you don't have to worry about putting any bulk. You can put this in your pocket and you'll be good to go. And it's very bright as well, as you could see here. You can take this wherever you want. Now here's some shots that I've taken during the process of using this light, and basically it's really good for daylight. And if you want to highlight a person in the middle, this is just raw photos. I didn't even edit these, so that's really good. Now here are some night shots that we've taken as well during using this MOMAN light, and basically it helped us to see the person. It's pretty much pitch black right now, and this light was able to highlight the person that we were trying to shot. Of course, you still need a nice camera for this so that it'll work, but the light actually does help a lot. Now the MOMAN MLQ RGB photography fill light, it has multi-lighting effect, wide color, temperature, built-in battery. The battery capacity is about 2300 milliamp hour, and 90 LED beads, and it's also aluminum alloy body. So it's really good quality, as you could see here, and based on what we experience, the color temperature range is about 3000 to 65K, which is really good. The emitting angle, if you care about that, is 120 degree as well. And that's for the day, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice in a brand new pocketable LED light for your photography needs. If you want one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I would really recommend this for those of you who are looking for a reliable company like MOMAN, and also for a nice little light like this, which comes with a bag as well, and then you'll be able to pocket this wherever you want. If you want to just shoot with your smartphone as well, you can use this as well, and it won't give you any bulk, so that's really good. And that's it for today, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.